Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video we are going to discuss about links in HTML. When you browse websites you will see some text where you can touch or where you can click, and when you click there something happens, some other website open or some other actions occurs. These are known as links. Hyperlink or links allow web pages to connect to other web pages. For example, here I am on Bing search engine. If I click on images, it will open Bing's images option. Sorry, it's Harry Potter. Again, if I click on search, it will open the search option. If I click on the video, it will open the video option. As if I click on shopping, it will click on the shopping option, and if I click on chat, it will open chatting option. So these are link, and when we are browsing, then how will identify a text, it is a link or a text? For that, as you see, first I am going to search. Here when I go through a text, the mouse pointer changes it to a small hand, and in most of the web pages the link will be displayed in some another color. In here Bing search engine, it is in black color only, but when I hover the link it changes into a small hand. But if I come to text, you will see it is not changes to a hand. The pointer will be turned into a cursor when we come to text, but when we come to a link it changes into a small hand. So this way we can identify a link in a web page. There are two kinds of link, internal and external. As we come to Bing search engine, if I click on images, it will open images pages which is inside Bing only. It is internal. But if I click some other option, like I am searching a YouTube video, I am searching my channel name in Bing, and if I click here, it will take me to YouTube website. So this is known as external link. In internal link, we open the web page in the same website, or we link between the same page, but in external we link between outside the web page, or sorry, outside the website. To create link we use anchor tag. Now let's go to here again. You'll see I am clicking inspect to show you the code. You will see here it's written a class target blank. So to create link we use anchor tag. That's why it is a class. And when we create a link, we will have some attributes. These are href. It will specify where to open the link, and target, it will say specify, it will say which page we have to open, and target, it will say where to open. Normally we will have two options, same browser window or some other window. As if we go to the here inspect element, you will see here a class target blank, means when I will click on that link it will open in a new page. After that href, this is the link, then and this is name of the link. So this way we create a link. This is the format, a href, the link name, and after that we'll close a. And this have to be remembered, default link color is blue, active link color is red, and visited link color is purple, which can be changed by using CSS. Now let's have an practical example of link. So I am opening VS Code. This is the basic structure of a web page. Here I am writing inserting, creating link, the page name. Now to create link, I am coming to body tag. Here I am just writing one line that creating link. So it's done. Now I will navigate to Google page from my page. So I will write a, this is anchor text, href, and here we will write http then slash www.google.com. So it will open the Google homepage. Then bracket close, and here I will write take me to Google. Now let's start the server. I'll click on go live. So this is my link. Let's minimize it. This is my link, take me to Google, and you see it is in blue color and underline. And when I am hovering, the link name is displaying at the bottom of the page. As you can see here, when I am hovering the link, you will see www.google.com is displaying at the bottom. And when I will click on the link, it will open the Google page. And if I come back to the link, you will see the link color has been changed because it is already visited one, so it is in now blue color. Now if I want to go some other page which is already available in my computer only, then it will be internal link. For that, just we will have to write the page name. Suppose I am going to page 2, so I am writing here page 2.html and save the page, and changing the title also, take me to page 2. Now you see here the link name is take me to page 2, and if I click here, you will say cannot get page 2 because I have not created page 2. For it we have to create page 2 also. So first we will create one more page which name we will give as page 2. So I am opening and creating a new file, then new text file. Here language select HTML, and the first line doc type HTML, then HTML, after that head, then head will be close. Inside head we will write title, and title inside we will write page 2, and title will be closed. After that we will write body. Inside body we will write h1 and page 2. Then h1 will be close, body close, and HTML close. So this is my page 2. Now I will have to save the page. For that I will use Ctrl S, and here I am giving the name is page 2.html and click on save. So this is my page 2. Now if I click on the page 2, it will open page 2 because I have created the second page also. So this way we can create link in HTML. Now for changing the color of the link, you see here the link color changes into purple because I have already visited page 2. But if I change it to page 3, you will see it will be again in blue color, because this page I have not visited yet. That's why it is in blue color. But again, if I write page 2, which is already visited by me, it will be in purple color. Now for changing the links color, we are going to use style block. In head tag or body tag also we can use. So style text oblique CSS, and here our selector will be A. After that we'll give colon sign, and suppose I want to change link color, so we will write link, and inside link we are going to write the properties. First property, color. Color I am giving as red. Red will be dark. Orange. Now you see the link color will be changed into orange color. Let's reload the home page. But as I have not changing the visited color yet, so I will not able to see the link color. So let change the visited color also. So I will write A, then visited. A visited, then we will write here color. I am taking green and yellow. Now you see the color changes into green and yellow color. If I cut the yellow part, it will be only in green. Now it is in green color. I'm zooming the page so that you can have a clear view. So it is in green color. Now we will get also a underline. To remove the underline, we will write text decoration, and here we will write none. Now you will see the underline will be removed. Here also write text decoration value none. Now you see there is no underline. So we have done color for link, visited, and active is still left. For active we will write A, active. A colon active, and here we can give the color is purple. So color purple. Now when I am clicking the link, at that time it will change into purple. If you see clearly, or if you slow down the video, then you will see able to see the purple color. So it changes into purple color. Now hovering style, you see when I am hovering the link, it just changes to a small hand, and the name of the page is displaying at the bottom. So if we want to give some other style, so we can write a hover. A hover, and here suppose I am putting underline, so we will write text decoration underline, or we can give overline also. Now you see when I am hovering the text, a line above the text is appearing because it is overline. But if we give it is underline, then you will see a line at below the text, as well as the pointer changes to small hand. We can also change the color. We can write color What color shall I give? Navy, dark blue color. So when I'm hovering the link color changes into dark blue color. So this way we can change the color of the link. In exam come this part, how write the syntax to change the link color to something and something. This way you can write. Suppose asking to change the link color, you will write this line, a link color, then the color name. If asked to change the visited one, you will write this one. If asked to change active one, you will write this line. And if asked to change color of hover, you will write this line. And if asking only for colors, then you will write only the color attribute. Text decoration one, no need. But if asked for text decoration, write remove the underline or add the underline. If add underline, you will write text decoration colon underline. If asked to remove, then you will write text decoration colon none. None will remove the underline, and if you write underline, the underline will be applied. Also you can write the text in capital. For that you will write text transform. The text transform, through using text transform property, you can make the text either in all capital letters, all small letters, capitalized. These things you can do. So let's have uppercase. Now we'll see when I'm hovering the link, it changes into capital letters. So this way we can changing the color of a link. Now how you can make your link as a button? For that, after ItzRafiq we will use some styles. For that we'll use style attribute. Inside the style attribute, first we'll give border like 1px solid red. Now see one red color border around the link. Now again we can give padding as 5 pixels. So you will get 5 pixel space. We can also give background color. Background color is black. Black will be not so good, so we are taking this one. Now we have to change the visited one link color. I am changing it to white. White is not looking good. Black, or we can give red also. So now my link is look like a button. I am removing the text transform property, otherwise the size get changed. So then now it's look like a button. Now let's remove the underline also. Just change the color. Now the link is look like a button. We can have background color here. Background color, it is a light green, so we can give aqua. So in hover, background color doesn't work, so let's remove it. So it's look like a button. And to give rounded background, so we will write inside a tag only border radius option. Border radius, I am giving it, as padding was 5 pixels, I am giving 3px. So you'll see the button is little bit rounded one. I am zooming the page. the button is little bit look like rounded one. If we have to give more rounded one, then we can increase the radius, let it 5 pixels. Now rounded will be more. If we give it 10 pixels, it will be more. So you can see. And if we need more, we can increase it more, like 15px, this way. And padding also we can increase like 10px. So this way we can create a link as a button. I hope you have understood. Also we can keep an image as a link. Suppose I want to keep an image instead of the button. So for that, what we will do, where I take me to the page 2, there we will write the code for the image, like img src equal the name of the image. Suppose nature.jpg, height 100 and wide 200. So this way we can create image as a link. Now that style property is not required here, so I am removing it, and the same style property we can apply to that image. So I am cutting from the link and I am applying that particular CSS property in the image. So as you can see it here, I think that instead of green, if we give black, it will look more good. And padding 10 pixels not required, 2 pixels enough, or 3 pixels. So this way we can create image as a link. If you have still any confusion, you can write in comment section. In next video we are going to discuss the common questions of chapter 2 part 1 and 2. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.